Hi friends, good day to you. This is Sanjaya from Smart Magazine. In this lesson, we'll cover the different saving options in Photoshop, along with some common reasons to save files in different formats. When saving a file in Photoshop, you have several options and file formats to choose from, and now I'm going to discuss that. PSD – This is the default file type for Photoshop documents, although you won't necessarily use it for every image. It will save your layers and all of the other information in your image so you can easily re-edit it later. PSD files are designed to be opened in Photoshop, so if you want to share the image with others you'll also need to save a copy of the image in a common file format, like JPG. Common file formats – You can save images in a variety of common file types, including JPG and PNG. These file formats can be viewed and edited on almost any computer or mobile device, which makes them well suited for sharing with others. The saving format you choose will depend on what you need to do with the image. You'll use the Save As command to save files in the PSD format, as well as other common formats like JPG and PNG. With the image open in Photoshop, in the menu bar select File and then Save As. A dialog box will appear. Type the desired file name, then choose a location for the file. You'll want to use a new file name to avoid accidentally overwriting the original file. Click the Format menu, then choose the desired file format. In our example, we'll save this image as a JPG file. Then click Save. Some file formats, such as JPG and TIFF, will give you additional options when saving. Select the desired quality level, then click OK to save the image. Now you can see the newly saved image file. If you've already saved your project as a PSD file, you can select File, Save, or press Ctrl+S to save your progress at any time. However, if you're working with another format like JPG, we recommend using Save As to avoid overwriting your original file. When you use the Save for Web feature, select File, Save for Web. The Save for Web dialog box will appear. Select the desired file type and quality level. File format – Save for Web allows you to choose from a few web safe file formats. Most of the time, you'll use the JPG format for photographs. PNG-24 will keep the full quality of the image, whereas PNG-8 is mainly used for graphics and illustrations that use just a few colors. Generally, you won't need to use the GIF or WBMP formats. Image size – You can resize the image directly from the Save for Web dialog box. Resizing the image to be smaller will also reduce the file size. However, if you're using a service like Facebook or Tumblr, you probably won't need to resize your images because these services resize them automatically. Quality – If you're using the JPG format, the image can be saved at different quality levels. You may want to experiment with different settings to find the best balance between quality and file size. Click Save. A new dialog box will appear. Type the desired file name and choose a location for the file, then click Save. You'll want to use a new file name to avoid accidentally overwriting the original file. That's all for today.
Finally, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon on the side to get the smart notifications as soon as we added a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.